Hello, let's get acquainted. The man on this channel, of course, is her.
Hey, I'm Izzy.
But all routine work do I.
Every day I'm flipping the tape in search of ideas for videos, and I definitely read your comments and wishes. When the idea is found, I sit back and start drawing. When I draw pictures, I try to understand in what order to draw lines so that it's easier for you to repeat. Then swipe off the appropriate colors and shadows so that its image is three-dimensional. When the picture is ready, it's time for editing. So that at the end you will see this. So, take your favorite tools, stock up on goodies, choose any video on my channel and
Let's draw together. Don't forget to subscribe so as not to miss the following videos.